Greetings, it's Carla Moore from MooreTalkJa with my Day 8 Creative Challenge offering. I'm not going to upload all of them. So, for those people who are like, Jesus, you can't stop with the poetry, rest assured you will not have to deal with them every day. But if you don't like them, don't listen. Otherwise, this one is called Tizzy, and for some reason it comes to me with a British accent, so that is how I am going to read it. Okay, so here we go. Tizzy. I don't mean to be pushy or to come across rude, but I just wanted to let you know that I like you, which is to say that I think about you softly. I think about holding your hand and the weight of your head on my lap and what you look like when you're tired and things I'd fix you to eat, which I suppose means I care. I mean, I care about you. I mean, don't take it seriously. Your face makes me happy, and your voice makes me smile, and the memory of your voice makes me sleepy. I mean, it makes me comfortable enough to fall asleep. I write your name on my things sometimes, or mix up our last names just to see what they sound like, and they sound lovely. I'd like a day with you, with nowhere else to be, and no one else calling me, and no one else talking to you, just time enough to thaw, to forget to laugh pretty, and for my stomach to calm enough for me to actually eat something in your presence. I mean, I think I said it best at the start. I like you. It's not love, it's not lust, it's something less intense but more pure. It's if a heart was painted in happy instead of red, if sunshine was the colour of your face, if you carried the wind in your hair and it tickled me whenever I touched it. I wish I had a day, but until then, I have my daydreams of you. So that was Tizzy, and as you can see, it's a poem that I wrote about that feeling that you get when you like somebody. You don't love them, it's not lust, it's not a sexual thing, it's just like you like them make you happy, talking to them makes you happy. So yeah, that was a poem about. Don't ask me where the British accent come from, I don't know, but some get to some selling me not charge no tax. Remember to subscribe to my vlog, mooretalkja.wordpress.com. subscribe right here to me on YouTube, or go to facebook.com/mooretalkja and like me, and follow me on Twitter at More Mayhem. Okay, please, thanks, bye bye.